I'm stuck. What's going on, y'all? How y'all doing today, man? Pretty much what I'm be showing y'all today. First of all, hold on. Let's give a look at the car, man. Y'all see that, bro? Still looking good, man, after the whole day. But pretty much what this video gonna be about, quick and short. So we went grocery shopping. I'm gonna show y'all how much you can actually fill up the Altima with. So we're gonna start back here. Let's say got a couple things right here we got from Walmart. Just put a little bit, but the rest of the interior is great. Nothing else going on, but that's the little bit that wouldn't fit in the trunk. And yeah, so we're gonna pop the trunk and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how much is in the trunk. So you pop the trunk, as you see, got some ribs, pretty much everything. And like I said, today is Super Bowl Sunday. My team is not in the Super Bowl this year, you know, but I'm gonna watch it anyways. And we're gonna see how this game gonna turn out. But as you can see, man, we got pretty much everything. A lot of stuff is on the bottom of this, but you can see it. Got chicken wing, pork steak, ribs, whole bunch of stuff, man. So as you can see, if you look closely, that's pushing it right there, like right in the corner. So this is about pretty much everything you can stack up in here. But I'm gonna put y'all on the time lapse and we're gonna go from there with it. All right, as you can see, there's everything out the trunk and the inside. As y'all can see how much space in there, but I'm gonna really show y'all how much space it is. I'm gonna get inside the trunk for y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna get inside the trunk for y'all, and I want y'all to see how big it is. Now I'm gonna show you me first, and then I'm gonna get inside the trunk. So let's do it. All right, don't y'all laugh at me, but I'm gonna show y'all that I can get in the trunk. I'm goofy now, so here go me. All right, this is me. I'm getting in the trunk. You see me? I'm getting in the trunk. All right, so I'm gonna get in the trunk real quick. I don't know how I'm gonna get in. Right? I'm gonna swim in. Just gonna step in. Okay. Let's see how we gonna do this. I'm getting in. Oh. I'm in the trunk. This how big the trunk is. I don't get no idea. But yeah, it's pretty much how big it is. So you can keep me in here or whatever. It is what it is. So now it's time to get out. So we're gonna get out different way than we got in. Oh. I'm stuck. Alright, I did it for y'all. But anywho, let's see what it's like if you get stuck inside the trunk. So that's pretty much it for the video. Glad I was able to make y'all laugh. But if you ever get stuck in your trunk, you do got the release button right here. You just pull it, and that should release the trunk right there. All right, now, hey, let's try it. Let's get in the trunk, see if we can actually close the trunk. Then if I get in, and this is to say that the Altima has the truest trunk ever. But let's go ahead and do that. Try to get in this motherfucker. All right, I'm inside of the trunk. Now let's see if we can get this motherfucker closed. Oh, snap. I'm legit in the truck. I'm in the truck. Oh, man. I am in the trunk. Let's see if we get it closed. I do got a little space. Y'all ain't gonna see all the angles. But I'm inside the trunk. Let's see if I get it to close. Hey, okay. I'm in the trunk. I'm in the truck. Hey, what if I can't get out? But anyway, if you're stuck in the trunk, there you go. You got the pull button, so you grab it, pull it out, and boom, you can get out the trunk. All right, y'all. Y'all take care. Peace out. I'm going to sleep. See y'all tomorrow.